Good morning, class 6. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the third video lecture of the chapter Body Movement. In last video, we have seen that the skull and the backbone. In today's video, we are going to see rib cage and the limbs. What is rib cage? The cage like structure made up of 12 pairs of curved and strong bones is called rib cage. A cage-like structure, this rib cage, the cage-like structure that is made up of 12 pairs of curved, and curved means muda hua, and strong bones is called rib cage. The strong and curved bones are called ribs. Means each bone that form the cage is called ribs. Ribs are connected to backbone at the back of the body and to breastbone or sternum in the front. Means these ribs are connected to backbones at the back of the body, and in front it is connected to the breastbone or sternum. Last two pair, which is connected only to backbone, not to the sternum, is called floating ribs. Floating ribs. Last two pair of ribs that are only connected to backbone, not to sternum, is called floating ribs. Rib cage protect her delicate organs like heart, lungs, etc. So this cage-like structure, it is made up of 12 pair of curved bones, and these 12 pair of curved bones are called ribs, and the cage formed is called rib cage. These ribs are connected to the backbone and the back of the body. In front it is connected to the breastbone or sternum. This rib cage protect the delicate internal organ like heart, lungs, etc. Next is we have to talk about the arms, the limbs. So we have two pair of limbs, two arm and two legs. So if you see this structure, this arm, this portion is called upper arm, this portion is called forearm. This upper arm is made up of a single large bone. This upper arm is made up of single large bone. On the upper side, this upper arm is connected to the shoulder blade, and the lower side, this upper arm is connected to the forearm at elbow. This forearm, it is made up of two bones. So this forearm, the shape of forearm is this, from here to here, from here to here, it is called forearm. This forearm is made up of two bones. Now this forearm, on the upper side, if it is like this, on the upper side means on one side, this forearm is connected to the upper arm at elbow, and on the other side it is connected to the wrist. So this is the wrist. This wrist is made up of many small bones. Now at one, this portion is called wrist. This is called palm. So one end of the wrist consists of 5 bones. So 5 long bones together make the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 long bones make the palm. So this palm, on one side it is connected to wrist. On the other side of this palm, it has finger and thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4 finger and a thumb. This finger, it is made up of 3 bones. 1, 2, 3. So each finger is made up of 3 bones, and the thumb is made up of 2 bones. So if you see from here to here, this is called upper arm made up of single bone. This is called forearm made up of 2 bone. This is called elbow, means the joint where forearm and upper arm are joined. This region is called wrist. It is made up of many small bones. This region is called palm. It is made up of 5 long bones. And at the one end of the palm, there are fingers and thumbs attached. So 4 finger and 1 thumb. Each finger is made up of 3 bones, and thumb is made up of 2 bones. Okay, so rib cage you have seen. The next point is about the arm, that I have explained you. I will write once and I will show you. Okay, so the limbs, if we are taking one example of the arm. Same number of bones of the thigh and the lower leg and the ankle and the big toe and the finger, everything is same like hand only, but only name is different, that we will see. So arm has 2 parts, the upper arm and the forearm. So upper arm and the forearm joined at elbow, means upper arm and forearm are joined as at elbow. Upper arm is made up of 1 long bone, and the 2 bones, means these 2 bones, give shape to the forearm. So forearm is made up of 2 bones, upper arm is made up of 1 bone. The upper arm fits into the shoulder blade at the shoulder, means this upper arm fits into the shoulder blade at the shoulder. Forearm at one end, means forearm at one end, means I am saying about this. Forearm at one end is connected to elbow, means here, and the other end it is attached to the wrist, means forearm one end it is connected to elbow and other end it is connected to attached to wrist. Wrist is formed by many small bones. The palm attached to the wrist, means this palm attached to the wrist is made up of 5 long bones. Palm on the other end, means this palm one end it is attached to the wrist, other end of the palm is attached to the finger and thumb. Each finger has 3 bones and thumb has 2 bones. So this is the explanation of the limbs. So you just note down this one only, remember this one. In next class I will say you same thing, but the name will be different. In place of upper arm we will talk about thigh. In place of forearm we will talk about lower leg. So term will be different, so you remember this one, and same like this only is about the legs also. So we have talked about the arm, we will talk about the leg, but with some modification, some change in the name. Otherwise the number of bone is same. Here one bone, thigh one bone, here two bones, that lower leg has two bones. Like that everything has same number of bones, only difference will be the name. So that we will see. So hope you understand. You also see the video that I have sent you yesterday. See that video once again, it will help you to understand. Okay, so thank you.